Yeah, Einstein proved that time is not constant and it is stretch. How we can experience in everyday life. And also, what does that mean?
Well, Einstein, as I explained, Einstein said that time is just a dimension like space.
Mm.
And he also said that time can be stretched and bent. Now, what he is talking about is his general theory of relativity. Look, there are two types of theory. Theory of relativity has two parts. One is special theory of relativity, and the second is general theory of relativity. Okay?
Okay.
So, when when we were talking about black holes, explained that I said that when you go near to a black hole, time slows down for you. So what exactly happened? Time for you has you know time has bent for you basically. Okay, time has
Okay.
bent for you, and when time bends, it slows down. When time bends, it slows down.
So,
So
towns.
time near a black hole is bent. That's why when your time goes into it, it also gets bent.
Mm.
And when your time bends, it
Mm.
slow down in time. Okay? Basically,
Okay.
so space and time can bend, and when it bends, it slows down. We know, as I explained to you, time slows down. You know that, right?
Mm.
When near to a black hole, time slows down. So that's basically the
Slows
same
down.
thing. When time slows down is the same thing as time got bent. That's the same thing. So when time slows
Okay.
down for you, time bends for you. So
Time
Einstein said
bends.
that time actually can be slowed down. So that exactly means that time can be bent. And yeah,
Bend.
so and how what it does it mean in real life? In real life, on this planet Earth, our time is governed by the Earth because in general theory of relativity of Einstein, mass bends the time. And what happens when time bends? You slow down in time. Time bending.
Okay. Time.
When time slows down for you, your time has just bent. Okay?
Mm.
You just have your time bent. Okay? So that's the same. That's the same thing. Bending of time is the slowdown in time. So Earth, what Earth does, it bends every single mass. Even you, the mass of you, the mass of me, every single mass actually bends space-time around it. And when we are in that bent space-time of the Earth right now. So our time has slowed down in that way. So that's it. That's what it means in real life. Now, if you go near to the sun, your time will bend according to the curvature of the space-time that sun has created around itself. So you can imagine it like a rubber sheet. Okay, if you have a rubber sheet and if you just place a ball into it, it will bend like
Mm.
this. Similarly,
Mm.
imagine space-time same like that rubber sheet. Again, when you place a ball in it, it creates a curvature.
Yes,
Same
it
type of
creates
curvature is what Mars or Sun or Earth create in the space-time. And since that bent rubber sheet basically resembles bent time, bent space-time. And whenever time bends, you basically slow down in time. So let's say this is the sun. This is the bent curvature created by the sun.
okay.
Now when you go near to it, time has bent, so you will slow down.
Time has bent.
So yeah, time can be bent exactly.
And also stretch.
Stretch in the sense like many physicists, I like what Einstein really meant, in that sense is that you can actually treat the space time as a rubber sheet ball. Like you can play with time. I mean, dimension as stretching has. I mean, I will not say stretch, but I will say bend. Bend, I can come from that. Yeah, you can bend time. Stretching has no meaning. I mean, for example, you have a scale. Okay,
Mhm.
if you stretch it, what is gonna change? Nothing is gonna. For example, let's say I have. Let's say, for example, I have this paper right here. Okay, I bent it.
Okay.
The definition of 1 centimeter is just same thing, like 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is not.
Mm.
If I just expanded, the definition of 1 centimeter still remains the same.
1 centimeter.
Yeah. So as I said, that rubber sheet, it can be stretched, it can be bent, you can do anything with it. So yeah, that's what Einstein meant exactly. That time can be stretched, time can be bent. Yeah, basically you can play with time as you play with a rubber sheet or any elastic rubber band.